Hello, my dear students. Hope you all are well. Here I am with a wonderful chapter from your book. It so happened that's chapter 3rd and is titled as The Selfish Giant. So let's begin. There was a giant who had a beautiful garden. Once he had been to visit his friend Cornish Ogre. He stayed with him for 7 years. The school children used to go and play in the giant's garden every afternoon when they returned from school. The atmosphere of the garden remained cheerful. The trees bore flowers and rich fruits. The birds sang sweet songs sitting on the trees. There were signs of beauty and joy everywhere and in every season. The children were very happy. But what happened? One day the giant came back and he made the children run away from his garden. As I told you that he had been to visit his friend, the Cornish Ogre, and stayed with him for 7 years. When he arrived, he saw the children playing in the garden. He was very angry to see this because he was selfish. He wanted to enjoy his property himself only. He didn't allow the little children to play in his garden. He hanged a notice board on the wall of the garden that trespassers will be prosecuted. What do you mean by trespassers? It means entered without any permission. The children were very sad. The poor children had now nowhere to play. They tried to play on road, but it was dusty and full of stones. They used to wander around the high walls of the garden and talked about their past happy days when they played in the garden. Now a change occurred in the state of garden. As a result, the spring and the summer did not return. It was winter all the year. The trees did not blossom. The birds left the garden. The snow, the frost, the north wind, and the hail storm made the garden their permanent residence. The snow covered the grass with white cloak. The frost painted the trees silver. The north wind roared all day, and the hailstorm rattled on the roof and ran round and round the garden as fast as they could. Once a beautiful flower put its head out from the grass, but when it saw the notice board, it was so sorry for the children that it slipped back into the ground again. The only people who were pleased were the snow and the frost. Frost means snowy vapor, जिसे हम हिंदी में कोहरा कहते हैं. Okay? And hail means storm of snow pieces, जो कि ओलावृष्टि कहा जाता है. तो क्या हुआ? बर्फ ने घास को सफ़ेद लबादे से ढक दिया. कोहरे ने पेड़ों को चांदी जैसा रंग दिया. उत्तरी हवा पूरे दिन गरजती, शोर करती और ओलों का तूफान छतों पे खड़खड़ की आवाज़ करता रहता और बगीचे में गोल गोल इतनी तेज़ी से दौड़ता जितना कि वह दौड़ सकता. So the giant was very sad at this condition of his garden. He sat at the window and looked out at his cold white garden and hoped for a positive change in the weather. As he was selfish, the spring never came, nor the summer. The autumn gave golden fruit to every garden, but to the giant's garden she gave none. It was always winter there. One morning, something strange happened. What was it? The giant was lying awake in bed. He heard a very lovely music. It was in fact the song of little Linnet sitting outside his window. Linnet is a small singing bird. He felt a delicious perfume coming to him through the open window, and he felt some positive changes in the atmosphere of the garden. The hail stopped chancing over his head and the north wind ceased roaring. He believed that the spring has come. So he jumped out of his bed and looked out. He saw a most wonderful sight. The children had come in the garden through a big hole in the wall. They were sitting in branches of trees. The trees were so glad that they covered themselves with blossoms. The birds started twittering with delight. The flowers were looking up through the green grass and laughing. But in a corner, still one of the trees was covered with snow and frost. Though there was a lovely scene, but in the corner what he saw, that a very little boy was crying bitterly under it. He was trying to climb up the tree but not succeeded. Suddenly the giant's heart melted and changed. He realized his mistake. He came to know that this all change was due to the presence of lovely children. When he saw the little child crying helpless, he at once came down, opened his gate and moved out to help the little child. What happened later on, I will tell you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.